Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hanisha Trends and Vlogs. Guys, today we will be exploring the top 8 places to visit in India during the monsoon season. But before we begin with that, request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the timely updates of the new videos which I upload. So viewers, let's check out the 8 most exotic places where you can go this monsoon. The number one in our list is Lonavala, located in Maharashtra state of India, located quite close to the popular Indian cities Mumbai and Pune. Lonavala is one of the best monsoon destinations in India, situated on Sahyadri mountain ranges. Lonavala is blessed with an ultimate combination of cows, greenery and the magnificent waterfalls. Traveling Lonavala during the monsoon season is a sheer delight as the climate here is pleasing enough, filled with ample of joy, delight and serenity. It is favorite weekend destination for the Mumbaikars and the Pune city riders. Number 2 in the list is Coorg, located in the Karnataka state, located in the Kodagu district of Karnataka. Coorg is one of the fascinating hill stations in India, popularly known as the Scotland of India. This place is a sheer treat for the travelers during the monsoon season. The beauty and the greenery in Coorg makes it one of the best places to travel during July and August. Here during the monsoon season, the dense forest and the majestic waterfalls uprise a picturesque view. Moreover, the heavy rains of the Coorg make the climate very much pleasing and cool, be it romantic couples or adventure seekers. Coorg can quench the thirst of every typical traveler. Friends, number 3 in the list is Munnar, which is located in the Kerala state, known for its exemplary tea gardens, green hills and spice plantations. Munnar, located in the Kerala state of India, is a paradise for those who seek for the nature's serenity and beauty. Travelers here are fascinated by the mountains that are covered with mist and a pleasing breeze that makes the atmosphere romantic. Travelers can also visit the Chinna Canal, which is quite famous for the powerhouse waterfalls, and 13 kilometers away from Munnar is Mattupeti, which is a delight for the nature lovers and offers tourists a fabulous experience and help them feel the calmness of the nature. The undulating tea plantations of the hills here and the beautiful rolling grassland makes Mattupeti a delightful destination which very much deserves a visit. Next is Mahabaleshwar, located in Maharashtra. Mahabaleshwar is another great place to visit during the monsoon season. It is located in Satara district of Maharashtra and is considered as one of the favorite monsoon destinations by the local riders. Located in Sahyadri mountain range, it is one of the largest hill stations and is highly praised by the tourists due to its plentiful greenery. When here in Mahabaleshwar, don't forget to click some pictures at the Ultra Point. For those who want to spend some time alone with your partners, boating at the Venna Lake is a sure thing to do. On number 5, we have Mount Abu, which is located in Rajasthan state. Located in the Sirohi district in Rajasthan, Mount Abu is another captivating hill station considered as the oasis of the heating state of Rajasthan. Mount Abu exhibits the gigantic Aravalli mountain ranges along with the beauty of the nature. Although the rainfall is less here compared to other hill stations of India, but you will be definitely surprised by the picturesque view and the greenery. Sightseeing and trekking are the major attractions here, and if you're part of boating, you can surely do that at the Naki Lake. Architecture lovers must also visit the Dilwara Jain temples. Guys, number 6 in our list is Goa. For monsoon travelers, Goa is another mesmerizing destination to explore. Although you will miss the regular water sports here, but you will be definitely enjoying the Goa's natural beauty, trekking on the Western Ghats and having those delicious Goan dishes. Adventure lovers can also go for river rafting in the Mahade River or enjoy the adventure boat cruise at the Miramar. There is also another great option to take a banana ride at the Baga beach, or else you can try trekking and hiking at the Dudhsagar waterfalls. On number 7 in our list is Musuri, which is located in the Uttarakhand state. Musuri is another great destination for the monsoon travelers. However, before leaving for the Musuri trip, it is advisable to have a look at the weather forecast, as this region sometimes experiences heavy rainfalls. Musuri is located in the Garhwal Himalayan ranges and is one of the most popular hill stations in India. Driving from Dehradun to Musuri is quite a fantasy trip. The atmosphere here is quite pleasing, and be it any season, Musuri is usually on top of the list for the travelers in India. The foothills of the Himalayan ranges are worth a view here, and points of interest like Kempty Falls, Padap Falls, Nagadevata Temple are some of the must-visit spots in Musuri. On number 8 in our list we have Udaipur, which is located in Rajasthan state, known as City of Lakes, Venice of the East and Kashmir of Rajasthan. Udaipur is one of the most romantic and heritage-rich destinations in India. Enriched with Rajasthan's historic Maharaja culture, this place has so much to offer for the tourists. The city palace of Udaipur and the Udaipur Lake Palace will make you feel the grand Rajputana culture of Mewar. During the monsoon season, Udaipur looks magnificent with the entire Aravali mountain ranges covered in green. Architecture lovers will love the ancient Jagadish temple, and the history hunters will be surprised by the collection of Maharana Pratap's historic weapons. Guys, hope so you have loved my video. I will be coming out with plenty of videos which are more informative, and I promise you guys with a good content from now on.